Dear brothers and sisters, I hope you're doing well. If you're watching my videos, you probably know that Bbma is my favorite indicators along with osmomusculator. In this video, I will show you full settings for Bbma. First, open your indicators and click on main chart and open Bollinger Bands. Do not change anything for Bollinger Band. Apply default settings. Click on main chart again. Open moving average. Apply period to 5. Method should be linear wave. Apply to low. Color as you wish. That's all. And then apply done. Open moving average again. Period change to 10. That's only. Method linear weight. Apply to low. Color as you want. Open moving average again. Just apply high. Color as you want. Rest all the same. Open moving average again. Change period to 5. Color as you want. Rest are the same. One more time. Open moving average. Period change to 50. Method change to exponential. Apply to close and color as you want. That's all for Bbma. This is how your chart look like after installing Bbma. This is low BB. And this top yellow line is the top BB. And this middle yellow line is the mid BB. Okay, this is moving average 10 low. And this is moving average 5 low, and this is moving average 10 high, and this is moving average 5 high. And this is Bbma 50. That's all for Bbma.